Estimates are a quick and easy way to create quotes and later convert them to projects and invoices. Provide your potential clients with a detailed breakdown of costs to prevent misunderstanding and pricing disputes. Add notes if you want to offer additional services or explain your payment terms in more detail. Keep track of your client quotes at every stage with draft, sent, lost, and won estimates. Turn approved estimates into projects with a set budget in a click and start creating value for your clients right away. Estimates can help you organize sales information, track opportunities, and keep the cash flow steady. They can also tell you a lot about your pricing strategy and ways to boost profit. Convert estimates to invoices to get paid, whether in advance or upon project completion.